Welcome to Mastering Meta Robots, a step-by-step guide powered by SEOPress. In this series, we'll walk through how to manage Meta robots efficiently using SEOPress, the all-in-one SEO plugin for WordPress, helping you fine-tune settings for posts, taxonomies, and more. You're watching the SEOPress channel. Let's get started. Sometimes, you need more control over individual pages. In this video, we'll walk you through how SEOPress lets you customize Meta robots for specific pages, ensuring you tailor your SEO strategy for each one. Go to the SEO Meta Box under the Advanced tab for each page. Here's where the real customization happens. For instance, Noindex prevents search engines from indexing that specific page. Nofollow ensures they won't follow any links on that page. You can even stop images from being indexed with Noimageindex, or prevent Google from showing a cached version by selecting Noarchive. And if you don't want a description to appear in search results for this page, check Nosnippet. As always, save and clear the cache if necessary. SEOPress allows you to easily customize Meta robots settings at the page level, giving you granular control over how your content is indexed. Up next, we'll explore how to enable index and nofollow columns with SEOPress, making it easier to manage your content. Let's go! Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing with SEOPress.